In this video, I will show you how to add USDT TRC20 to Trust Wallet. To do this, first just go and open up Trust Wallet and then click on the two circles in the top right. After doing that, you will see a list of all the cryptocurrencies that you already have in Trust Wallet, and you can see I already have USDT TRON, which is the USDT TRC20. However, for you it will not show up yet if you haven't enabled it. So instead, what you want to do is click on the search bar and type in Tether. Then click Done, and then for the network just set it to Tron. So then here you will see USDT Tron, so make sure that it is enabled, and then you can go back to the home screen and just refresh it, and then USDT Tron will show up. Now you can see I already own some of it. Then when you click on it, you will then see it right here. So as you can see at the top, it's USDT TRC20, and for example, you can now click Receive, and then here you will find your wallet address for USDT TRC20. So now you know how to add USDT TRC20 to Trust Wallet. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.